Today we are unboxing this modern invisible ceiling fan. At first glance, it looks like a stylish LED ceiling light. But hidden inside is a powerful ceiling fan. The packaging looks secure and everything is carefully packed. Inside the box, we have the main ceiling fan light unit, the fan blades and installation accessories, and a remote control for convenient operation. The modern design makes this ceiling fan look clean and elegant. The blades are hidden when the fan is not in use, but when you turn it on, the fan opens and starts circulating air. It comes with a DC motor designed for efficient and quiet operation. The built-in LED light can help create a bright and comfortable atmosphere. And with the remote control, you can conveniently control the fan and light. This design could be perfect for a bedroom, dining room, living room, or modern home. A ceiling fan and LED light combined in one stylish design. Would you install this modern invisible ceiling fan in your home?